Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the Tokyo Olympic Sports 2021 Cycling BMX Freestyle. In this game, the rider performs moderate to high level of riding on off-road location and compete with other riders while maintaining balance on the bike. Depending on the game type, the bike riders have to reach the finishing line as fast as possible. The first three riders to finish the race are declared winners. Overview: BMX has its root in the racing culture that existed in California in the mid 1970s. Inspired by motocross riders, children tried to imitate their heroes by performing airborne tricks on their bikes. The sport has been transformed from grassroots and a misfit culture to a mainstream sport thanks to extensive television coverage which has made it recognizable around the world, with world championships now held annually. At Tokyo 2021 Games, competitors will compete in the park discipline, which sees riders execute tricks on obstacles such as walls, box jumps, and spines. They are given 60 seconds to perform acrobatics, tricks, and skills, with tricks scored on multiple aspects including difficulty, originality, execution, height, and creativity. BMX Freestyle will make its Olympic debut at Tokyo 2021, where it will bring a fresh, youthful feel to the Olympic program. Event program: Park, men and women. Essence of the sport: exciting tricks, originality, and creativity. In Tokyo, there will be just 9 men and 9 women riders, with the host nation Japan taking one of those sports. Despite the event being one of the smallest at the Olympic Games, it will be fiercely contested among the world's top riders. Riders will participate in 260 seconds run and will be given a score based on their performance for each run, with riders ranked based on their average score. The highest scoring riders will go last in the final. This means that even if a rider scores poorly in the first run, they have a second run to fall back on. One tactic that riders use is to initially do a conservative run and then go all out with extreme tricks and originality in the second. Riders competing last, especially in the final, have the benefit of seeing how previous riders performed and use this to their advantage by adapting their performance. Many exciting tricks are performed, including backflips, tail whips, bass spins, and the Superman, which makes the discipline exciting to watch. Outlook for the Tokyo 2021 Games: the world's best freestyle riders are preparing to seize their chance to make history as the first BMX freestyle gold medalist. One of those going for gold is the 2019 BMX Freestyle Park World Champion Brandon Lopez from Australia. His runs are fast and his airborne tricks are high and dynamic, with front flips and off-axis spin being highlights of his repertoire. However, Lopez will have strong competition from Venezuela's Daniel Diaz and a riders whose creative and skillful style continues to surprise spectators. In the women's event, Hannah Roberts from the USA is the favorite for the gold medal after the teenager won her second world title in 3 years. She is also the first woman to land a 360 tail whip in competition. Macarena Paris from Chile and Charlotte Worthington from Great Britain are also medal hopeful for their respective countries. BMX Freestyle will take place at Ariake Urban Sports Park alongside BMX racing and skateboarding. Venue will provide a festival-like experience and atmosphere to visitors attending the games. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.